Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to open files from USB drive on iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. To do that, you should just you just should connect your USB drive to your iPhone. Your USB drive should have USB-C connection. After that, open Files application. Here, click Browse and click on the arrow on the left top corner of your screen. Click it several times till you'll see a Browse screen, and here you will see Locations. If you have a hidden location tab, so you just should open it. And here you will find all your location on your devices. So here we have iCloud drive, internal iPhone storage on my iPhone, and USB drive you have just connected to your device. Sometimes it's very possible when you insert in flash memory in your iPhone, sometimes it can be unreadable. So sometimes it's a very good idea to format USB drive and insert it again. So now, for example, I can open the USB drive, and here I can see my videos, my recordings, and cool, that's it. If you wanna eject your USB drive, so just pull it out, and as you can see, now in files I have no USB drive location right now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.